Namaste, my name is Dr. Pramod. I provide skill-based lectures and training on topics related to analytical research and quality control, such as analytical method development, analytical method validation, impurity control strategy, deficiency letters, audit and compliance, troubleshootings, various analytical techniques. I have more than 30 years of experience of working in Global and Indian pharmaceutical companies like TEVA Pharmaceuticals, Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Intas Pharmaceuticals, Ami Organics. I am founder and trainer of Pharma Knowledge Forum. I am on mission to train more and more pharma professionals by sharing my skill-based knowledge. But it can only be possible if you connect with this channel, subscribe my channel and take advantage of my skill-based knowledge.